Hi, how to use a green screen in a restrictive place. So here I've got a movie clip of a girl against a green screen. As you can see, the green screen is quite narrow, so it's not covering the whole screen. So to actually use it so the white bits at the side don't show any brown bits, what you do is you actually crop it down the image first. So to do this, you go onto image crop, you uncheck these two boxes here so they're unchecked like that. Then you go to the left hand side and you pull it in like that. So you can see now you've got black at the sides, and you do the same at the other side until you get to the material that you want, enough space for a bit of movement, and then you go to the bottom and move it up to where the feet are, and the top's okay. So now I've got my green screen like that. So I'm adding the picture underneath, and then I add the chroma. Now if I look at the settings here, you can see that it's that colour there for me. So go on to Event FX, go to Vegas Chroma Key, okay. So then you select your image color, select your low threshold and your high threshold. So in this case I got a little bit, it's because it's green and dark blue, it's very similar. So I need to get rid of that, so a low threshold up, put the blur amount a tiny bit just to get rid of the blobs at the top. Bit of a balancing act, and that's perfect for what I want. And then I actually need to set it full screen, so go into the image widescreen. I want to ungroup the audio and get rid of that. So now I've got the image, gets the green screen. Give it a try.